Hey guys, so in this lesson we're going to be taking the double stroke roll and applying it on the drum kit. So we're going to be using simple 8th notes and 16th note patterns just to explore the sort of feel and the different sounds that we get with that rudiment on the kit. This is a beginner's lesson, so if you're not sure about what 8th notes are, 16th notes are, or even a double stroke roll for that matter, please check out my other video on the double stroke roll and it'll take care of business. So with that, let's get into it. Okay, so exercise number 1. We're going to take 8th notes around the kit. It's going to look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's going to sound like this. One bar groove, 1 bar fill. Okay, exercise number 2, 16th notes around the kit. Left hand is going to stay on the snare drum, right hand is going to move. It's going to look like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and It's going to sound like this. Do that again. One bar groove, 1 bar fill. Cool, so exercise number 3, we're going to take the right hand to the ride cymbal, we're going to take the left hand to the snare, so it's going to look like this. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Again, we're in 16th notes. This time we're also going to play the bass drum on the quarter note, so that's going to sound and look like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Let's put it all together. That's what it sounds like. One bar groove, 1 bar fill. Here we go. Okay, so exercise 4. We're keeping our right hand on the ride cymbal. This time we're going to move our left hand to the hi-hat. Again, we're keeping our bass drum on the pulse. This is what it's going to sound like. One bar groove, 1 bar fill. Okay, 5th and final exercise. We're going to take exactly the same voicing, right hand on the ride cymbal, left hand on the hi-hat, and this time we're going to play the bass drum on beats 1 and 3, and I'm going to explain to you why in a moment. Okay, so let's try that. So it's going to go 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and This is what it sounds like. Okay, so this one you can loop. So I want you to loop it, and also want you to just increase the speed a little bit. So I'm going to demonstrate this. Good. So the idea of that is not to get super fast. So obviously you're going to be limited in how fast you can go on this. But really what I want you to try and do with this exercise is feel your pulse where that bass drum is. And that's going to give you the sense of what it's like to play 30-second notes or 8 notes over your pulse. Now don't get bogged down with the theory of what that is, etc. I just want you to play the pattern and just try and feel your pulse there. And hopefully you get a sense of what it's like to play that subdivision, that 30-second notes. Because in reality, when we play a lot of double strokes or double stroke rolls, we're going to be playing them in 30 seconds. So this is just a little taster of what that sounds like and what that feels like. Great. So I hope that all makes sense. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, good luck.